Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and once again here I am. Well guys, this is going to be a wonderful piece of advice for all IELTS candidates. Wake up guys, okay? Yes, I know many of IELTS candidates are sleeping with open eyes. Eyes are wide open but actually they are sleeping. Okay. Well, let me tell you, in order to get great bench score in IELTS, in order to get your desired bench score in IELTS, it is not necessary to do any changes outside. The changes should be made inside. You guys can see these beautiful balloons, right? There are 4 of them. Red, my favorite color on Valentine. White, color of peace. But when I'm going to drop them, they fall down. Have you noticed they are same, they all look alike. When I drop these balloons, they fall down. On the other hand, there is another balloon which I don't have right now. That is what we call helium gas balloon. If you are holding helium gas balloon and you leave it, it will go up, 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 and within few minutes, it's going to vanish. It's going to be invisible. It will fly high in the air. Why? It's not the outside. It's the inside. From outside, these are balloons. And that is also a balloon. So let me tell you, our hardware is same. But the softwares that we install within our brain, these softwares are different. Now, let me tell you, in order to get your desired bench score in IELTS, you need to install, first of all, the software of hard work. Hard work and smart work. Like at least every day, you are doing 2 to 3 listening tests, 1 to 2 reading tests, you read essays, you write essays, you do speaking practice and all that. So, you need to install that software actually. On the other hand, there should be the software of the dream. For example, you are planning to go to Canada. I recommend you strongly to watch some documentaries about life in Canada. If you want to go to Australia, watch some videos of Australian beaches. Go to YouTube, type there, beaches in Australia. रुक नहीं सकेगा तू, okay? So these things are going to motivate you. Now, many of us, we want to go to Canada and we've not seen anything about Canada. We've only heard. How can we believe that our dream is real? In order to achieve your dream, you've got to make it real. As I'm holding the pencil in my hand, I can see the pencil. I can feel the pencil. I can touch the pencil. So if your dream is tangible, if your dream is what you can see in front of you, that very feeling will give you a lot of motivation, and that motivation is going to be the driving force. That motivation is going to be the fuel for you, and you will go like a heat-seeking missile towards your target, towards your goal. Once again, let me tell you, sometimes people who get 7 band in IELTS, you look at them and you say, oh, hi, how did he achieve 7 band? Look at him, right? And sometimes, we associate success of people the way they look like. Sometimes they say, she got 8 band in IELTS and look, her complexion is dark. What is the role of complexion with 8 band? There isn't anything, okay? So again, I'm telling you, if you want to achieve your desired band, there are certain applications you have to install. One of those applications is perseverance. One of those applications is consistency. One of those applications is hard work, diligent, efficiency, all these things. And above all, there should be a song. Before the war in the old times, they used to beat the drum. Like this, before starting the war. So you are at a war front right now. Your destination is in front of you. So all you need to do, there should be that drum going on inside you, the music which is going to take you towards your goal. You know, sometimes music is very motivational. It takes you towards your goal, especially if you fall in love and you listen to a certain song. That song is associated with that feeling of love, and then with your beloved, whenever either you listen to the song or you see your beloved, you just think about all the feelings of love. In the same way, you should have your Ielts song. Any song of Celine Dion, any other success song, right? So you can just listen to the song, motivational song, time and again. Well guys, let me tell you, at the end, only those reach their destination who are struggling, who continue to struggle, who don't give up, who don't run away, who don't give in. They reach their goal. So in the same way, you should not be a normal balloon that if we leave the balloon, it falls down. You should be like a helium gas balloon. And what's the difference? The difference between helium gas balloon and an ordinary balloon, inside ordinary balloon there is heavy air. It's the air. If you blow a balloon with your own mouth, it is the air of someone, okay, inside the balloon. And if it is with a pump, pressure pump, then it is the normal air. So that air of someone's throat or all that, that is very heavy. On the other hand, helium gas is lighter than our surroundings, right? So if your inner self is lighter, if your inner self is heavy, you will fall towards the ground. You will focus the gravity. The gravitational force will pull you down, right? On the other hand, if you've got like you are a balloon, so you are going to be your helium gas balloon, you are going to fly high in the air. This gravity will not work on helium gas balloon. So what is gravity? Negative people, your relatives who believe you cannot go to Canada, who believe you cannot go to Australia, right? So your surrounding is the main gravitational force. It doesn't allow you to move. Negative people, negative environment. All you need to do, your inner self should be lighter than your outer self, and then you're going to see one day, as you know, sometimes we see, just imagine a balloon being flown in the air, beautiful blue sky, and the balloon is going like very, very quickly towards the sky. So you are going to go to your destination country like that balloon one day. Let me tell you, we can buy anything in life if we are ready to pay the price. Everything has got the price. Everything has got the price, right? On the other hand, there are some people around us who work like a sharp pencil. And these balloons are our desires. We have our desires, and those people are like sharp pencil. Ouch. See that? Did you notice? All your desire vanished. Your plan to go to a foreign country vanished. I cannot see it. This is your plan of going to Canada. This is what happened. See that? From this to this. It's very easy. People do it. You are this. People are this. At the end, they are going to turn you like this. Now, in Punjabi, chusani ban sakdi hai, nothing else, right? So, this is what you guys need to see. Whether you are going to allow the people to make your dreams from here to here, or you are going to make your dreams. Now, this is balloon. From balloon to football. And if your dream is solid, it turns into reality. It's like a football. Then the pinches of people, the pinch of the pencil will not actually do anything, will not do any harm to that very thing. Anyways, I know you guys are there in different countries. Africa. If you're from Africa, please comment. India. If you're from India, please comment. Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal. Then we've got Central Asian states where people watch my videos. Of course, in Pakistan, people do watch my videos. Arab countries, even in Australia, Canada. Wherever you guys are, just give a comment so that I get to know where you are from. So you want to change your present. And remember, your future is always bigger than your present if you work hard. And you have, in order to make your future bigger than your present, you have to live in your present. Be in your present. Make your future while staying in the present. Sometimes the pull of past doesn't allow us to go ahead. Right? Pull of past doesn't allow us to go ahead. And some of us, they live in future without going there. Some of us who want to go to Canada, they are already in Canada, but actually they are in Amritsar, they are in Muridke, they are in Kamoki, somewhere like that, okay? So this is the difference, how you use the power of now to reach your goals. Finally, before I finish this video, I would like to say just a couple of things. A couple of things are, in our life, we have many griefs. You know, grief in life. So there are many griefs in our life. All you need to do, make a list of those griefs and turn them into a relief. Once upon a time, English was a grief of my life. Today, English is the only relief of my life. You know what I mean? I teach Ielts. I earn my bread and butter from Ielts by the grace of Almighty. A grief of the past is the relief of present. So please make a list of all the griefs that you have in your life, and one by one turn them into a relief, and life will not be bad for you. Life will rise and shine. Once again, you will see a new picture of life, and that is going to change everything according to your requirement, as per your free will. Whatever you want, that will happen in your life. All the best. I'm not a motivational speaker, but it is my duty to motivate my students, so I try my level best to do that. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz. See that? This cannot burst the balloon, but this can burst the balloon. So some people are like this, soft and tender. These people should be the part of your life. Some people are like this, sharp and bad. So these people should be away from your life. This is you. This is good people, no harm. This is you. This is bad people, and they are going to change everything about your life. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.